In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install HP LaserJet P2035 printer driver in your Windows 11. Now, without any further ado, let's begin. First things first, you need to open your Google Chrome. The moment you have opened it, please navigate to the search bar and type for HP LaserJet P2035 printer driver. Click on the Enter key and you'll be able to see a list of results. So please proceed to the first one under support.hp.com, the official website for HP. Click on it. The moment you click on it, you will get to see a window like this, where here you need to go with detected operating system, choose a different OS, and try to check if this printer driver is available for Windows 11. However, if not, then please choose for Windows 10 64-bit, since Windows 10 64-bit works well with Windows 11. Once set, you need to scroll down here and go with the driver. Click on this down arrow key beside it and please choose for download here, aligning to this basic driver. So click on it. In my case, I have already downloaded it, but in your case, if not yet, then download it. Once done, copy and move that to the desktop. So here you need to double tap to extract or unzip the file, or either make a right click and use your WinRAR tool or program to extract this packaged or file. So please click on extract to and kindly wait until a new file folder would be created, and that would mean that we have successfully extracted it. So once done, you need to proceed to the installation. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. We would really appreciate your support. So by that, you navigate here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. The moment you've clicked on it, wait until it would be ready for you before we continue to the steps. Once ready, please navigate here at the left pane and locate for Bluetooth and devices. Click on it. The moment you click on it, you need to choose for printers and scanners. And from here, you would be able to see an option called Add Device. Click on this one and wait until you can see an option where you can manually add a printer driver. Once it's here, click on Add Manually and a new window would appear in a few moments. Once it's here, please choose for add a local printer or another printer with manual settings. Click on next. Click on this down arrow key and use among of this three USB port. So this part is very important. So let's be cautious on selecting the correct printer port. Say again, it could be among of these three. It could be one, two, or three. However, if you have an HP port, you can select that as well. So go with next once you have selected the proper printer port and go with have disk and click on browse and then select for the desktop and scroll down and find our extracted file. Double tap here and eventually you'd be able to see the driver. Click on open and click on the OK. And please choose for HP LaserJet P2035. Click on next and go with the printer name. Click on next and it will now start the installation. Please wait until this would be done. So once done, click on the next here and go with finished. And there you have that you have just successfully installed the HP LaserJet P2035 printer driver in your Windows 11. Now, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.